Running a small or mid-sized business usually means operating under constant time and cost pressure. Most owners and managers are involved in nearly everything: sales, operations, customer issues, and administration. There is rarely excess staff, excess budget, or unused time. In that environment, inefficiencies compound quickly. An extra hour spent on manual work, a delayed customer response, a process that worked when the business was smaller, but no longer scales. AI tools are beginning to matter, not because they are new, but because they address this pressure directly. Not by replacing people, but by reducing friction, fewer handoffs, fewer delays, and less repetitive work across daily operations. Most time and cost loss in small businesses does not come from major breakdowns. It comes from repetition and coordination. Administrative work is one of the biggest contributors. Scheduling, data entry, document handling, and internal follow-ups are often handled manually across multiple systems. Customer communication is another area. Teams repeatedly answer the same questions. Requests are forwarded, clarified, and followed up on by hand. Small delays multiply across dozens or hundreds of interactions. Operations and reporting also absorb time. Information lives in different places. Summaries are created manually. Issues are identified later than they should be. Individually, these tasks seem manageable. Together, they quietly consume hours every week and increase operating costs without adding value. When AI saves time, it saves money in very practical ways. Most small businesses do not have unused capacity. When time is wasted, it shows up as overtime, delayed work, missed follow-ups, or slower response cycles. AI reduces cost not by cutting staff, but by reducing friction. Fewer manual steps, fewer repeated actions, less time spent moving information from one place to another. This matters because efficiency gains compound. A small reduction in handling time, applied across many routine tasks, adds up over weeks and months. The value is operational, not theoretical. It shows up in smoother workflows, faster turnaround, and more consistent execution. It helps to think about AI in categories, rather than as a single solution. One category focuses on information handling. These systems read, summarize, organize, and extract key points from text, documents, and messages. Another category supports process assistance. These tools help work move forward automatically, routing requests, updating records, or triggering actions when defined conditions are met. There is also communication support. This includes drafting routine messages and maintaining consistent responses across common interactions. A fourth category focuses on analysis and pattern recognition. These systems review operational data to surface trends, exceptions, or inconsistencies that might otherwise be overlooked. Across all categories, the goal is the same: reduce manual effort where tasks are frequent, predictable, and rules-based. Today, artificial intelligence can reliably support a range of everyday operational tasks. It can draft first versions of emails, internal updates, and standard responses. A person still reviews and approves the content, but the starting point is already created. It can summarize long documents or conversations. Meeting notes, customer histories, and internal reports become easier to review and act on. It can classify and route incoming requests. Messages are sorted by topic or urgency and sent to the appropriate person automatically. It can assist with scheduling and coordination. Availability is identified, calendars are managed, and rescheduling happens with less back and forth. It can also generate plain language summaries from operational data. This allows owners and managers to understand what is happening without spending time interpreting raw information. These tasks are not experimental. They work best when the process is clear and repeatable. It is important to be realistic about what AI does not replace. AI does not understand your business context the way you do. It recognizes patterns, but it does not set priorities or strategy. It should not make final decisions about pricing, hiring, customer relationships, or risk. Those decisions require judgment, experience, and accountability. One of the biggest risks is automating unclear processes. When workflows are poorly defined, AI tends to amplify confusion rather than reduce it. AI is also only as useful as the information it can access. If data is scattered, outdated, or inconsistent, results will be limited. In many cases, improving basic process clarity and data hygiene delivers as much value as the AI itself. Businesses with high administrative load often benefit first. Professional services, operations, heavy companies, and businesses with recurring workflows see early gains. Teams handling large volumes of customer communication also benefit. Response times improve and execution becomes more consistent without increasing headcount. Growing businesses gain value as well. AI helps processes scale without adding unnecessary complexity too early. Even very small teams benefit when they are stretched thin. The gains are often incremental, but they compound over time. AI is not a shortcut to running a business. It does not replace leadership, experience, or responsibility. What it offers is leverage, less time spent on repetition, and more time available for work that actually moves the business forward. Used carefully and realistically, AI becomes part of the operational foundation, quiet, practical, and effective.